Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here. Our presentation is titled Navigating Economic Dynamics Insights for Battery Manufacturing. Today, we'll explore how both economic force, macroeconomic indicators, trade policies, behavioral trends, and AI are reshaping our industry, and how Dual Power is adopting its strategy in response. In today's fast-moving global landscape, everything from information to automation affects battery production. These shifts influence how we price, source material, manage supply chains, and attract talent. We'll look at four key themes that shape our path forward. The macroeconomy, careful and trade wars, behavioral economics, and AI and labor market inequality. These lenses help us navigate challenges and spot growth opportunities. Let's begin by understanding how the broader economy shapes our decisions at Dual Power, from investment timing to resource allocation. We will do this by looking at three critical indicators. First, trade indicators we monitor. GDP measure overall economic performance. CPI tracks inflation levels. Unemployment rate indicates labor market health. These metrics give us a clear picture of demand, cost, and strategic timing. Rising GDP means economic expansion, leading to greater demand for EV, electricals, and energy storage. Declining GDP, on the other hand, signal contraction, which may reduce investment, delay R&D, and lower B2B demand. CPI measures inflation based on consumer goods. Stable inflation supports healthy operations, but sudden spikes in CPI can drastically raise our input cost, especially for SM and capital. This affects our margins and pricing decisions. This tells us how many are seeking work but can't find it. Rising unemployment often reflects economic downturns and can reduce EV demand. However, it also creates a larger labor pool, so scale mismatches and became an issue. The economy moves through four recurring phases: expansion, peak, recession, and recovery. Understanding this helps us align decisions with market realities. In expansion, green investment risks at the peak. Demand may overheat and cost spike. Recession, borrowing delay, and budget cuts. Recovery offers renewed opportunities as spending picks up. We align our strategy with each phase. Freeing expansion, invest in new markets and peak. At peak, lock in supply contracts and improve efficiency. In recession, streamline operations and form strategic alliances. In recovery, scale launches and target rebuilding sectors like renewables. Now, let's turn to trade. Tariffs have a major impact on battery cost and global supply chains. Tariffs are taxes on import. In battery manufacturing, they raise costs on material and parts, and disrupt cross-border supply networks, especially among US to China tensions. Tariffs shift the supply curve leftward, raising price and lowering constants. For dual power, this means higher cost, possible delay, and slim margin. Directly, we force higher cost for material and tools. Indirectly, partner operation and logistics are affected, leading to uncertainty in project timelines. We also face volatile raw material price, uncertain trade rules, repetitive innovation, skilled labor shortages, tightening environmental standards. This demands ongoing risk management. To mitigate this, first, diversify supplies outside tariff-heavy regions. Embrace smart pricing, offering flexible product packages based on cost inputs. Third, communicate long-term product value to clients. Fourth, use AI to forecast trends and maintain agile operations. Let's shift to behavioral economics, understanding how human psychology influence buyer decisions. Consumers often act rationally. They fear ease, fear change, and swayed by presentation. Biases include present bias, focus on immediate rewards, status quo bias, preference for the family, family effect, how choose are presented influence decisions. Unlike classical economics, behavioral economics ensures real-world decision-making driven by habit, emotion, and heuristics. Buyer may resist EV adoption due to upfront cost or unfamiliarity. We can normalize green options, emphasize short-term savings, reduce decision fatigue with simpler choice. Finally, let's explore how AI is changing the way we work and the risks and benefit it brings. AI tools like ChatGPT are transforming everything from manufacturing to admin tasks. The key issues: will AI reduce or increase inequality? If used inclusively, or AI boosts productivity and create new roles. It helps entry-level staff perform higher-level work with data, diagnostic, and automation. But without inclusion, AI adoption may displace mid and low-skilled jobs, concentrating gains among specialists and executives. We must build AI capability across teams, present AI as a support tool, promote cross-functional training to ensure shared benefits. With inclusive tech use, we expect higher productivity, stronger talent retention, a more adaptive workforce. To conclude, AI and economic forces over great potential, but only if we respond soberly. Thank you for the time.